I see them so brave and bold, trying to take control. The hearts of men are so cold, trying to take a soul for a piece of gold. Hey, cha-cha children, get up by this blatantly. Why you sit down for wait and see them getting too much vacancy? Arm yourself, now wait for me, cause I'll be out there fighting for we fit in the future. Them can't make them kill out from the road, go to the stem. And you not be no silent warrior. Stand up in a this, we now move them off and bomb up in a this. Some people we no silent warrior. No waste of time, you'll never win that victory in your mind. Ain't no be no silent warrior. Freedom of speech, tomorrow all we do is step it a reach. Oh, we are no silent warrior. Freedom warrior. We have come militantly, when a soldier injure army, them have to prove it, them bad me. As long as me alive, them not go get no victory from me. Me see them send for machines, and the one where do the launch. Try to get rid of the youth with potential like Mali and coffee eye. Them try manipulate, try to segregate. Like disease, them spread them falling, stop it reaching every place now. It's so serious, not hesitate, not even close your eyes when you meditate. And you not be no silent warrior. Stand up in a this, we now move them off and bomb up in a this. No, not be no silent warrior. No waste of time, you'll never win a victory in your mind. Rasta people win a silent warrior. Freedom of speech, tomorrow all you do is step it a reach. Oh, no be no silent warrior. Freedom barrier. Wake up and righteous people rise and salute ya. Fight for your future. As long as you're not giving, you can never be the loser. Don't make them fool ya. The conquering lion of Judah is the rightful ruler. So I'ma come with them plan now. Whoa, You have to look in at them face and tell them say them wrong. And you not be no silent warrior. Stand up in a this, we now move them up and bomb up in a this. So people we no silent warrior. No waste of time, you'll never win that victory in your mind. Ain't no be no silent warrior. Freedom of speech, tomorrow all we do is step in the reach.
They're never gonna keep I down. They're never gonna keep me down. I tell you, sir, everyday life gets rougher, but we have to face it. Peer pressure them apply, but we have to take it. Keep on putting up resistance without assistance on them quicksand. Even if a earthquake, them send comfy shake it. Man have to keep a roof over we head. So we have to go straight, go look my bird. Me no matter when nobody wants say them can't style, I as rent a job. Me a chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that me a go use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone away. So give thanks to see one more, and make we chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that Rasta use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone astray. Can't stop me from go on my knees and go pray. Remember say, heights where great man reach and kept. We're not to tame by those who slide and slip. That's why the Rasta go on tile and whip. Sweat off me pants and me shirt and me crepe. Yep. Open your mind and increase your reflex. Enough make careless talk and no check. So them ready fi kill you like Christ and Nazareth. No people mouth lead them to death. So me chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that me a go use and kill the devil, cause the youth them gone away. So give thanks, we see one more. So make we chant one psalm a day, psalm a day. And that me a go use and kill vampire. The youth them gone astray. Can't stop me from go on my knees and go pray. Everyday life get rougher, but we have to face it. Peer pressure, yes. Follow the march.
Hatted, what are you doing for yourself? Sitting on the corner won't help. No, Hatted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey, Hatted, what are you doing for yourself? The killing and the robbing won't help. No, Hatted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead.
Well, I see dagger eat dog in a the Gideon. Most of the youths, them a walk with the devil weapon. Who a no shatter? Them a dopey make a no for beat. Them chest attack, but them a life taker. Before you take a life, think twice, me brother. The fire is red and it a go get hotter in a time like this. You can't trust your brother. Him same one we sell you out to get visa. Kaboom!
Hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Sitting on the corner won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? The killing and the robbing won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey,
I know some fella and them watch too much movie, study friction and don't know reality. Now you're killing that a part of Satan glory. True, you know you have the gun, you get so unruly. Every town you go in and you act like a bully. See then now you get trapped, your mother have to bury you. Long time them tell you take the gun from your waist. See the right, you know it cause a big disgrace.
hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Sitting on the corner won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? The killing and the robbing won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead.
Well, I see dagger eat dog in a the Gideon. Most of the youths, them a walk with the devil weapon. Who a no shatter? Them a dopey make a no for beat. Them chest attack, but them a life taker. Before you take a life, think twice, me brother. The fire is red and it a go get hotter in a time like this. You can't trust your brother. Him same one we sell you out to get visa.
Hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Sitting on the corner won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? The killing and the robbing won't help. No, hearted, what are you doing for yourself? Try a little hustling instead. Hey.
No, we not go give up in our life. No matter them a fight, shot man not go give up in our life. Them can't stop we from reaching our heights. Cause we say, man got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, you got to be a rebel in this time. Where we say, you got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, get so you no stop fight, we protect them lifeline. Rasta, red, green and gold and me suit a khaki. Being every day so Rasta no nasty. Work for where we want to live like Liberace. Me no Bruce Lee we fight Karachi. Remember, man I trod the earth like ancient monarchy. Road of life a long time me a walkie. Sunshine or rain or night time on the darky. The truth me stand up and a talkie. And when me say, man got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, you got to be a rebel in this time. Where we say, you got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, man I fight very hard to protect them lifeline. Time rough, so man I juggle little green banana, little beans. Now no time for act like bossy dean. We have one bag of money and get up at mean. How we can a man straight them no lean. Every king round here so have a queen. Everybody you don't know what me mean. Most a blank in the ear from your in. And say, you got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, you got to be a rebel in this time. When we say, you got to be a rebel, to live comfortable, you got to be a rebel in this time. them and I look them bird. But in a certain place still not go push my head. Rastafari put a roof over we head, and we have to give thanks for life cause we no dead. Nah say load fi gun, I'm no scarlet. Nah say load fi no bulla and bread. Remember man a burn the fire red, so we nah live like rent a trade. Where we say where I come from, everyone wants to know. Where I come from, it's like a real action show. Sometimes you can't even go out a door, because I be a loose can out a door I blow. Where I come from, sometimes you have to hide, because it's really hard for you to survive. Where I come from, it's not a bed of rose. Sometimes you have to borrow and fling your pride out a road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and tell you that, no. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and put you back road. This is me, from dream to reality. This is me striving for real tranquility. This is me seeking for real peace into the west and also in the east. Here I am standing proud as a man. Here I am so you all can understand. This is me on your TV. Turn on your radio when you try will hear me. So don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't make them tell you that we take no back road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. You can live in a glass house and foolish street show stone. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and send you back road. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. You in a glass house can foolish street show stone. Why my tears from my eyes? As a man sometime I cry. Everybody try to figure out why poverty and hungry in is a real time. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't make them tell you things that you never know. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you tricks. Come make them fool your head with things you never know. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Don't let nobody come and tell you that, no. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Yeah. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. And trick you up with things that you never know. Come make nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. And come and tell you say we take the back road. Come make nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. And come and trick you things that you never know. Don't let nobody come and tell you this, tell you this. Come and talk about your feet in back road.
Yeah, Turbulence on the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to walk good, man, your tongue. Cause certain people you don't have to mingle. In the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to be careful cause you with your tongue. And with certain people you don't have to mingle. Still the one I couldn't know about evil. A man behind skeleton a kill off people. Car park up things a spray from vehicle. Check it to job or the innocent people. The party can't go on cause war in all the area. Check how much innocent people they be Syria. The people in my cry with tears to the savior. I want them my youth have to change them behavior. The streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to walk good, man, your tongue. Cause certain people you know have to mingle. In the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to be careful cause you with your tongue. And with certain people you know have to mingle. But you need to go and stop the war and through the turf. Tuesday need to go to school and parents need to work. Crazy kinda beat and now the police start to search. Sunday morning come and granny camera go to church. Them a lily boy and I see where life worth. Unnecessary violence not gonna work. You are gonna feel the hurt and end up on the dirt. But first before the dirt you are gonna drive on in the earth. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Oh, whoa, well, every night the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to walk good man your tongue. Cause certain people you know have to mingle. In the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to be careful cause you will get tangled. And with certain people you know have to mingle. Turban on the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to walk good man your tongue. Cause certain people you know have to mingle. In the streets coming like jungle. All I see is chains and shaka. You have to be careful cause you will get tangled. And with certain people you know have to mingle.
Whoa, alright. Whoa. Yes, Chronixx. No, you're not. No, you take my youth. You never chop. Don't you know that? Don't you know? No, you're not. No, you take my youth. I listen us, teaching us the truth. And me no plan to go on a barber. Rastafari the father. Every day fasting and prayer. People I wonder how me no maga. The boss I tell me fi chop it. Thunderbolt fi employer. Now sell me soul fi no be my prefer. Ride around in the ladder. Long time, Babylon a try. Rasta still a strive higher. Whoa yo, a long time society a try. The Rasta man survive higher. Yo, you're nothing. Go you take my youth. I never stop. Don't you know the truth? Why? Go you're nothing. Go you take my youth. Oh, I listen us, teaching us the truth. I do them want me blending, them perfect cottage dreadlocks. But I want stand out just like the little red spot. I shine in the dark just like the little bright light. No afraid fi talk and I defend the night right. Tell the youth them for wise and be intelligent. Them treat me like a alien, the fifth element. Jah give me the truth and say Chronixx give them. Go burn Babylon and do not sorry for them. Cause a long time the whole of them a try, but Rasta man a strive higher. Oh yo, a long time society a try, but the Rasta man survive higher. Oh, so you're naughty. No, you take my youth and never stop. Don't you know the truth? And looking at yourself. No, you're naughty. No, you take my youth. I listen last. Teaching us the truth. And we say, yeah, Rastafari, the ruler of the earth. Long time them a try, but nothing could ever work. And yeah, Rastafari, the ruler of the world. And every boy and girl. Whoa, yeah. Babylon and cry. Whoa. Wonder if you know what I mean. Welcome, Chronixx, the why yo? Welcome, Chronixx, the deliverer, deliverer, boy, deliverer, boy. Me say we lose faith in the preachers. The youth them need a teacher because Papa in my ball send no money in a wallet. Mama she a ball on gripping pan her forehead. Cousin in my cry say him and poverty married. Him no eat no food from last week. Plus the little pitney them a ball. Santa never bring a barrel. Never bring the present and him never bring the Sahara. The three stooges were in a parliament a quarrel. Tell them Selassie issue a warning so the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in a your Benz and your Rover. Whoa, the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in a your Benz. Welcome to the youth youth them on the side mixing concrete and mortar. Can't afford the light and them still thief in water. Mama she a cry, can't see school fee for data, but she find the offering fi give thief in pasta. A lamp powder, lightning and thunder. When the youth them fed up and frost, Babylon fall like lumber, get gas asunder. When the lightning set up and flash, when the cup them full and run over, when the cup them full and run over, a judgment, judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz and your Rover. When the cup them full and run over, when the cup them full and run over, a judgment, judgment. Yes I Babylon ask Chronixx, so what do you tell me? None of them
own, this is how it go. Bebera, sing fence. Come make with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat, still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. Mid dash a fire on the beast, them run them over with the V10. Step in the face with me cleat them, chuck them off in the deep end. Like a the shark with the teeth, them fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat, lyrics a bust it up in the street them. Mid dash a fire on the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages, them legalize. I'm saying the system need to clean up right away, king. Come up with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat, still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Don't catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much operation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach. When me talk about the beast, yes me a talk about police. Them where you walk about the street like them a dog without no leash. And the beast are the companies we farm without no seed. And I breed the flipping chicken, them we born without no beak. And the beast are the country, them we colonize me continent. We modernize me uncle them and sodomize me auntie them. Me dash a fire upon the whole of them, waiting patiently until the reincarnate. Them flipping soul again, feed that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat, still a sip on the peaks. If people burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much operation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach. Me dash a fire upon the beast, them run them over with the feet, then step in the face with me cleat them, chuck them up in the deep. Don't you fight us down, them now want see we sit on the throne. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the cobra, tradition of the shona. Trace back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, them I call that Medonecha. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I praise a cure the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me said the ank is better, eh. We now want see no beretta, rise up. Figure take a life up, just sip the Bredda life up, eh. None of no flesh, I make sure exercise up. And be careful of the one we teach Jesus Christ up. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. Haile Selassie are the leader, they on the battlefield, yeah. Humble as a lamb, me just a follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trample on the heel, yeah. Me bust up every seal where them seal, yeah. Read a couple chapter, then reflect upon the fact of them. Focus on the acronym, for open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, me a soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, me bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Send me on a rebel on the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner.
Can't kill me again if you never kill me already. Yes, I. And we say Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Me say, good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me. Here comes the hot stepper. Fire burning hotter than paper. That song you written proper than later. Protected from the crown of my head, straight down to the very soul of the crepe, yeah. Me have a chat for them send gunshot poison care accident. Long time them a try lock off my oxygen, but you're in control, can't take me soul. Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Me say, good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Them put poison in a liquor, try curse me. A good thing, me no drink, me no thirsty. From the day my mother birthed me, Selassie I purge me, nobody can hurt me. Them disguise Jezebel in a the biggest way. Send her come fi give me the biggest A. Chronixx left her in dismay. A long time them a try up until this day. Me say good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me again. Me say Jah over evil, life over death. Me say them can't kill me again. Can't kill me again. If you never kill me, I'm ready. Whoa. Alright. Chronixx, left and right, just so just a come, left and right. Wait. Ooh yeah. Boy. And them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Ay. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who at the general issue in a warning. Job people them a ball, said them tired of mediocre. Evil a go fall when we tried in Ethiopia. Me leaving from Dann, cause them life no easy boat, yeah. Even Banton said it's not an easy road. Operation occupy the motherland, calling all soldiers to kindly trod along. From creation, he writing a job plan, but Chronixx can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting soldiers coming from near and far. I choose executing Selassie works and build Rastafari true. And them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior. Welcome the Rasta youths. I'm gonna start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Ay. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who at the general issue in a warning, boy. Waving the banner red, green and gold. It is such a honor prophecies unfold. Discovered on stones, on trees and scrolls, and even in the stories that Jesus told. Whoa. Rasta youth must inherit the earth. Can't sit down, Jaja send me fi work. Bring the fire in a room, Jaja send me fi purge. But I can't do it alone. Rasta recruiting soldiers coming from near and far. I choose
executing of a man who stands firm in his own countenance. I descended upon the mountain of Zion. I saw is the lion. The world shall know. So great is him, I know how great is the King of all kings, yes. So great is him, I know great is the King of all kings, yes. Give for of life, for black, for white, for red, green, and gold. Ethiopia stands bold, while Marcus I prophecy is unfold. Yes, never you wait, for the time is now. Can't wait till judgment come. Tomorrow never forward. Tomorrow never forward. No, 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 no. In my Father's house there are many mansions, and if it wasn't so, then I wouldn't say so. No, 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 no. Yes, the Tantafari is the King of all kings, who lives and reigns forevermore. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings, yes. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings. As I rise, give thanks to the sun. And oh, if it's raining, I say, Jah, well done. Oh, feeling such sweet aroma, approaching my veranda. Yes, say life is so great to me now. I still line off, worry nor fret. And I no need no bulletproof verse. I guess the most I is our strength and fortress. Give thanks nevertheless, no, no, In my Father's house there are many mansions, and if it wasn't so, then I wouldn't say so. No, 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 no. Tantafari is the King of all kings, who lives and reigns forevermore. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings, yes. So great is him, I know. Great is the King of all kings, yes. Life is everlasting. Some people like a masking. Get up and stay up. I tell you, wake up now. Get up and stay up. You got to be positive. Get up and stay up. No time for sleeping. Get up and stay up. Wake up, no ow. I gotta be real, cause there is no room for pretender. Love seal up now with things embedded in no nature. I believe you're black, I believe you're white, so one creator. Just be real, with your preaching, never you be no traitor. The most I give us blessing, so I dare to his teaching. Whoa. I give thanks for existing, cause so many been gone and missing. Whoa, alright. Get up and stay up. I tell you, wake up now. Get up and stay up. No time for sleeping. Get up and stay up. We all gotta be positive. Get up and stay up. Go out, yes. The people is my concern, so with that hammer, with that turban, yes, hearts of fire burning red. I gathering all soldiers to tear down the walls of Babylon, and yes, correcting wrongs with right instead. Yes, I tell you, singing on earth. Yes, the time is getting tricked, and yes, so many of my people have been misled. I guess a message to the wicked. Wolves in sheep covers, away from a sleeping bed. Get up and stay up. I tell you, wake up now. Get up and stay up. No time for sleeping. Get up and stay up. We all gotta be positive.
Officer below with herb. Then we stop this jar with herb. And what do I deal with? Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow. Babylon, against we herb them say that then I like it. Every day them get up and criticize it. Jobless the plan so we come fi highlight it. In a discriminate take me chalice and light it. He give me prize when me in a the dance. Select a drop boom to me and more weed in a me palm. I rub it up, roll. Lend me a lighter. You know see Babylon a come in.
tell Elizabeth where the soldier them a hunting. In a truck and jeep to destroy it. Them better stop with the brain food, them better left it. And if them don't stop, then neck judge I go broke it. Them right off face the one, take it weed out of me pocket. Them fill out the herbs man when they must step it. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow. Babylon fight is the herb, them say that they don't like it. Every day them get up and criticize it. Jobless the plan, so we come fi highlight it. In a discriminate, take me chalice and light it. He give me vibes when me in a the dance. Select a drop book to me, have my weed in a me palm. I rub it up, roll. Lend me a lighter. You know see Babylon a come in ya. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow. Officer, leave the youths them farm, make it cheese them grow, make it cheese them grow.
Yes, the boys are turn this like a Tantafari. But share something. Make sure the fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. We can't take the war and bear hostility, bear negativity we see in this vicinity. People are bad every day in the community. To mash up them life, it a destroy them liberty. There's no peace, me say no tranquility. To cut your lifespan, want stop your longevity. System a push you every day, you lose your sanity. All this in the name of vanity. Make sure the fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. But all me say your wars and rumors of war, me no know, them no know what them fighting for. It happen long before the old Spaniard jar. Jump car, bicycle, donkey, old car. We don't want no sad faces, we say people feel be jovial. No want no more funeral, no kick, no memorial. The place I run hot because it too territorial. And that to make the thing I get critical, yo. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of your might of is something we're good, of is something we're bright. We can't take the wars and bear hostility, bear negativity we see in this vicinity. People are ball every day in the community to destroy them life, it a mash up them liberty. There's no peace, we say no tranquility. Cut your lifespan and stop your longevity. System of pressure we feel lose with sanity. All is in the name of vanity. Make sure the fight where you are fight with all of your might of your righteousness of is something we're right. The fight where you are fight with all of them
no. Wow, I hear time Sean get a youth. Go and hold the faith, youth. Remember, pray for the bread, youth. King Selassie is great, youth. I never underrate, youth. I got to tell it to you straight, youth. Just go and meditate, youth. Go for your slice of the cake, youth. I never let them fake you. Get a youth, who want your bus on them. Want to no bus on them. Wanna house and wanna car and wanna truck from them. Want to no bus on them. Want to no bus on them. Take away the knife, take away the wire, take away the gun from them. Yo, watch it them move and make me back me entry. Them get me mad for y'all the 21st century. We want some money and we want that plenty. Cause right now poor people pocket empty. Me don't see nothing where the boy them a present me. I be a war, be a corruption, be a envy. Check the file, check out the documentary. King Selassie I alone can strengthen me. Do them now. Wow, I'm starting da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Me want to no bus on them. Want to no bus on them. Wanna house and wanna car and wanna truck from them. Want to no bus on them. Want to no bus on them. Take away the knife, take away the wire, take away the gun from them. Yo, doctors and lawyers and teachers.
futures of tomorrow. No make the system of your dung all in a sorrow. No make the system of your beg and all borrow. Show them say your meditation no narrow. So me go so rise, fan them like the sun. The dirty liberty Babylon me want it fi done. We are lead the way so tell the youth them fi come. Mama Africa we can't run. Yo me want your boss ban them. Want to no boss ban them. Want a house and want a car and want a truck from them. Want to no boss ban them. Want to no boss ban them. Be progressive in life. Yeah. Go and hold the faith youth. Remember pray for the break youth. King Selassie is great youth. I never try to underrate youth. I got to tell it to you straight youth. Just go and meditate youth. Go for a slice of the cake youth. I never let this.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, that man try by the ends. Now what going on? I'm telling you. You see me round the place all the time. Oh, it's out on the corner, me lime. Oh, I got the aunts, got the pounds, got the dimes. Oh, and everything is all so fine. Wow, but you wanna come and mess up my grind. Oh, I will done you every time. Oh, see, I don't really wanna reach for my line, but it's rough enough these your times. So let me say, hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, be careful with what you do. I know they, I'm don't really wanna mess with the crew. Nah. Yo, got enough man done dead. And all because them a try to eat another man bird. Them a gamble with them life, say them no care about themselves. 50 coin and then ask you if our tails are red. If you're alive, if our tails, then you dead. Say them nah no remorse when them a make the blood shed. And if they get the chance, they will do it all again. Who needs enemies to fight against you then? With those kind of friends, yo, what I'm never gonna give up the fight. I'm missing straight to the end. I'ma be defending what's mine with no negotiation, no compromise. Whatever it takes, I make the sacrifice. Hey yo, I know that they don't want to see me rise, so they set their traps to ambush in the night. Have no fear, watch them in the rise. And when they think you're done, you give them a big surprise. Boom, and make the hey, oh hey. Be careful with what you do. Cause I know
He shall lift up a ensign upon Judah Hill. I hold the trumpet, here is Selassie I live. Any kind of who will still have to seek the root. Bearing fruit upward that speak the truth. Yes, the hippies of youth, pop culture, iconography. Don't have to agree. The lion emblem for magnanimity. The living code emblended in the Rasta livity. Majestic centers of royalty. When he shall lift up a ensign upon Judah Hill, I hold the trumpet, Selassie I live. The living majestic centers of royalty, recreated in decadence without no originality. Symmetrically, recurring Roman, Egyptian themes, money sport architecturally. In about 30 minutes of twist half and see, in a rubble and a finishly. The offspring of those of Moloch and Asarte be in your bashment vicinity, specializing in how to suss and throw wild party, out of which gunshots free. Like a mount to be, she got the brazen, smooth the size like pulley. From her inclined plane, the angle C. She moved to any 5 on each number, dress up in a square T. This is the whole earth geometry. A sativa inclining at the blunt filet. Root, purpose and result you see is like 7 in their own bread and own apparel money, and can't make no kind of headrest free. So follow his majesty when he shall lift up an ensign upon Judah Hill. I hold the trumpet, yell Selassie I live. Who are run the whole thing? Whole heap a woman that would like to be man. Whole heap a man, woman. Put them all together in a cross section and examine the highness of them credential. In alumni press money highest position. All the under pull connection. Census the population of Sodom and Gomorrah from the ways of the city and the ways of now. And who are the champions of the style? Word most beautiful go the furthest ones. Out of the ghetto and they are blessed of son. Misleading in front as word champion. The ancient scripture of the character down, pack back down. Download everyone. The killer instinct. You know it and shun her fun. Every man is a potential dead war god. And then the Lion of Judah come. He washed his garment in a grape blood. The owner of the Gata Ethiopian, and all else that live in the Isles of Man. When he shall lift up a ensign upon Judah Hill, I hold the trumpet, Yeli Selassie I live. Na 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 na.
Try to trap me, and Babylon them corral me. The harder they come, harder they fall. When the devil come at me, and the wicked try to trap me, and Babylon them corral me. The harder they come, harder they fall. I won't take your intimidation. Rastafari guide I man, yeah man. Guide it through the stuff and that's the situation. Still I will have vibes and a meditation. Teach a little youths them right from wrong. Never go astray, I got to hold on strong. Never take no side because I'm on a different mission. When the devil come at me, and the wicked try to trap me, and Babylon them corral me. The harder they come, harder they fall. When the devil come at me, and Babylon them surround me, and said the wicked try to trap me. The harder they come, harder they fall. Check out all Proverbs and Revelation. They say I the same thing I go on the land. Tell you about all the six-headed dragon. When me check it out of Babylon, same one. Tell them the Almighty still live in a man. Emperor Selassie is the conquering lion. Watch over the youth, them in every second. Let the people know that these are free. Hey, na 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 na. Shala. Set me free. Let me tell you about this friend I know. Stick to me now everywhere I go. A friend indeed, someone I can rely on. Guide me through the sinking sand. Never let me sit up in the seat of the scornful, or walk it in the wages of sinners. No. No. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. Love with me, love with me, and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I never seemed to know which way to go until you came along and showed me how to go. You say go. Hold on to your pride and stand up strong. Always keep a smile and let it glow, glow. You say glow. Lift me, love, lift me, love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love, lift me, love, lift me and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Oh, and to wonderful world this would be, yes. Internationally, yes. Universally, officially. Lift me up, lift me and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world.
Yeah. Driving round the town with my windows down, looking looking round and wondering just where did we go wrong. Young girls pushing proms, young boys smoking guns, elders on the corner smoking weed and drinking rum. Totally unaware, there's a different life out there. All our life we live, we seem to live in deep despair. Now, who are you to blame us? For we really having no aim. The more that things have changed, it seems the more it remains the same. Now, what do you know? What do you know? Know about the life we live. It's a different world where we're from. What do you know? What do you know? Know about the life we live. It's a different world where I'm talking food, we don't know fish. Every 6 months, mama get notice. Work all the days of her life, but she still can't survive after cleaning up people. I'm talking minimum wage we can't stretch. Like man cut the light, left we in the darkness. So we only fun is we run up and down outer road where all the guns planted. So the next time before you condemn us, make sure you know what the problem is. Cause we a try, we a try, we a try, we a try. No, what do you know? What do you know? Know about the life we live. It's a different world where we're from. What do you know? What do you know? Know about the life we live. It's a different world where we're from. A different world with some different boys and some different.
The bongo man feel like the bar. Me say me feel like the bar. I feel like crying. I feel like crying. I feel like crying. Me say me feel like the bar. Gone, me gone, Africa, me gone, and me nah come back round ya. You think you can catch me now, you trap round ya. You can't squeeze me like no sour sap round ya. Oh no, no, no. Gone, me gone, Africa, me gone, and me nah come back round ya. You think you can catch me now, you trap round ya. You can't squeeze me like no sour sap round ya. Oh, I never know it would have be like this. You take us from Africa and carry come slave right in Jamaica. Yeah. Me plant your Canaan, me reap your banana. Now you want come charge I feel live on ya. But that now go work out a ya. I am going home to Africa. Are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Oh, oh. I'm going home to Africa. Are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Oh. Me say it's Stikki at the western region, and the Rasta man no live like demon. And we move mystically, no we no deal with folly. We not go yard in a them legion. Yes, Rasta no live like dough. Cause the biggie man no fear no foe. Africa calling from morning. Yes, we have to go. I am going home to Africa. Are you coming? Hey, are you coming? Oh, oh, I'm going home.
You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh, yeah. I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah. You're like a beautiful flower coming out of the garden. Every time your eyes meet mine, I keep beaming. Can't you see that I want you, girl? Yeah. I wanna hold you in my arms, keep you warm, yeah. Just a
Imagine me and you, all the things that we could do, yeah. Let's get away, find a place where we can play. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Yes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pretty little African woman, in my arms where you belong. Don't keep me waiting too long. I need you beside me, like the Father who guides me. Come on, baby, let's have a one-on-one. Yeah, you're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend yeah. Here is where I need you. Here is where I want you. No matter what your parents say, yeah, it's gonna be alright. Trust me, don't you worry, I'm gonna make things better. So don't you cry. I'll be there by your side in any kind of weather. Just you and I. I'll place no one above you, girl. I love you till the day I die. Ain't never gonna say goodbye. 'Cause I will love you forevermore. No matter what anyone says. And I will fly away together. We'll be forever. And our parents don't approve. Our aunties say I'm rude. Our friends them say if you leave me, cause they don't like me attitude. What kind of dirty Rasta boy have you like a tie? At the same Rasta youth, full of life a joy. They try everything they wanna see is fail, but the ship already sailed. Her love is like a fairy tale, baby. I will love you forevermore. Matter not to what the pagan said. And I'll fly, we'll fly away together. We shall fly away. We shall fly away. We shall fly away.
Hey ho, singing ho na na hinging boy. I ain't seen no one. Hey ho, I ain't seen no one. Absolutely no one can stop me from loving my music. I say, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. No one can stop me from loving my music. I loved it all my life and always will. No one can keep me from singing my song, and I'll be singing your music until my dying day. Lord, I say, my Irish sound, yeah, is a sound of every day. Yes, night and day, I will pray that reggae music will never fade away. No one can stop me from loving my music. I loved it all my life and always will. No one can keep me from singing my song. When I am old and grey, I might well still sing Jaja songs all day long. We play the rhythms that the people dance upon. So come along, reggae lovers, come along. Say Jaja music, it'll keep you going strong. It's a Bredda Marcus come for launch and attack. People in the dance and no face can't on this track. And it no matter whether your skin white or red black. If you are a ballet or you are dreadlock. See the people, them a jumping around. For the one champion sound, them a call Black Star sound. Selector, won't you play a song for me and make the crowd feel happy, make them feel irate. No one can stop me from loving my music. I loved it all my life and always will. No one can keep me from singing my song, and I'll be singing your music until my my dying day. Lord, I say, my Irish sound, yeah, this a sound of death is stay. Yes, night and day, I will pray that reggae music will never fade away. Well, I said no one can stop me. I said no one can stop me. Oh, no one can stop me from loving my Irish sweet sound.
Imperial Majesty Emperor, live, you're my one. Yeah. Come on now, come on now, come on now, come on, come on now, come on now, come on now. Come make we chant Rastafari forever. Come on now, yeah. Come make we chant Rastafari forever. And some might think a joke, we a joke. Some might think a play, we a play. You mash your finger, no cry, no cry. Man, nice in Africa. We never want to come on, yeah. Come drop in a Buffalo Soldier. And now it seems you don't remember. I'm on a Rasta forever. I'm on a Rasta. Yeah, me say, come on now. Make we chant Rastafari forever. Come on now. Come make we chant Rastafari forever. Come on now. Come make we chant Rastafari forever. Come on now. We are go chant Rastafari forever. Make we talk about the freedom talk. A two thing you mix up in a one. Nothing is for free. And I, not dumb, yeah. Once we had everything, you had the Bible. Now we got the Bible, and you got everything. Come on now. We chant Rastafari forever. Come on now. Come make we chant Ayana forever. Come on now. We are go chant Rastafari forever. Come on. We are go chant Rastafari forever. Some might think a joke, we a joke. Some might think a play, we a play.
Life has its way of turning the gray skies blue. Oh yeah. But sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Jaja never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. Cause I am a champion, my brother. I'm a champion, my friend. Mama, dry your tears and move your hand from your head. Never wear a phone because Jaja not dead. Trust in every word where Selassie say. Leaning on Marcus philosophy. Cause sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Jaja never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. Cause I am a champion, my brother. I am a champion, my friend. So all when you're hungry and edge I teeth, I stand up on me own 2 feet. Me nah make no trouble, come and get rid of me. I fight it like a champion, Muhammad Ali. But that no mean I'm a go do no folly. Rasta man and a Satan little puppet dolly. Push on pon the straight and narrow like a trolley. Her goodness and mercy a follow back on me. Jaja never give I more than what I can give I. Sometimes the road get dark. Friends and family, they are gone, a champion, champion, my friend. Jaja never give
It's a wild, wild west. You got to do your best. Trials and tribulations and tempests. It's a wild, wild west. Got to do your best. Everywhere you go, Babylon have them trap set. It's a wild, wild west. World Wide Web, what a world war. What when the world was born? They kill, rob, rape in the name of Jesus. Same-sex marriage in the name of Jesus. Burn down corruption, hey, I know we that. We're the lineage of King David. We're no idiot. They used them in a prison, Rastafari free that. Them inject the food and the world don't see that. To mislead the people, your mother no me that. Burn Babylon, make them free that. Hey, it's a wild, wild ways. You got to do your best. Trials and tribulations and tempests. It's a wild, wild ways. Got to do your best. Everywhere you go, Babylon have them traps set. It's a wild, wild ways. World Wide Web, what a world war. What when the world Babylon put pill in the youth, them food at jail. True that them can't climb like them can't avail. Them crucify Christ and nail him up with nail. Blaze my chalice, yes, Selassie, cause me heavens are sealed. So me bun down Rome, cause them can't prevail. Them just a find out how them used to steal. Tell them judge a kingdom is male and female. Get how you'd get half of the wicked man trail. It's a wild, wild waste. You got to do your best. Trials and tribulations and tempests. It's a wild, wild waste. Got to do your best. Everywhere you go, Babylon have them traps set. It's a wild, wild waste. Got to do your best. Got to. World Wide Web, what a world war. What when the world was won? Well, them say them trap forget you, but them own a trap catch them. Babylon a try inspect you. Them corrupt, who inspect them? Everywhere you go, they wanna beat you down. They don't wanna see you rise up off the ground. Listen to me words and sound. It's a wild, wild waste. You got to do your best. Trials and tribulations and tempests. It's a wild, wild waste. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I John my fortress. Every ghetto youth are the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I Selassie my fortress. Every ghetto youth are the fullness. Make the music matter why I'm me youth. Hail Rastafari get glad I'm me youth. If you worship the devil your life sad I'm me youth. And I your mother and your father I'm me youth. Rock and cocaine I eat a mother of the youth. Politicians come and backstab all the youths. Babylon them come and bother all the youths. Now you focus on the big tragedy and me youth them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I tries a mighty fortress. Every get a youth possess the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Most I tries a mighty fortress. Every get a youth know the fullness. Microchip come in for control them now. Politicians only come for hold them down. Devil a seek the people soul them now. The powers of Selassie I overthrow them now. God bless you from the day you were born. No matter how the wicked man are gone. Now watch the wicked works them up profound. No matter how you see society come and scan them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. King Selassie I almighty fortress. Every get a youth know the fullness. Them better know this. Get a youth stepping towards progress. Emperor Selassie mighty fortress. Every get a youth know the fullness. Thought we couldn't make it, but look at us now. We come for take it any means anyhow. None for them a fake it, none for them a go. Them separate it and now gonna go. Stop fighting the iris of the youth. Righteousness lead the youth. Don't make no gimmicks of the youth. Don't just spoil the image of the youth. You better know this. Get a youth up into one's progress. Most I Almighty fortress.
I'm in love with you, baby. Doing real fine. baby. You can call me anytime. We're getting older each day, so say what's on your mind, girl. Like I told you of lately, I'm here to treat you fine. You're invited at my place. I'm so excited to see your face. I wanna hold you by your waist, explore this world with grace. Girl, let's spread that goodly news. Girl, I love your mellow mood. We ain't got nothing to prove than to love each other, that's true. I'm in love with you, baby, doing real fine. I'm your soldier, my baby. You can call me anytime. We're getting older each day, so say what's on your mind, girl. Like I told you of lately, I'm here to treat you fine. Turn it up, hey, put it on the blaster. For the purpose of love, it ain't no laughter. You find a beautiful girl, treat and care you. What more can a man ask for? Mistrust and lies, yeah, delete them. And the fuss and the fight, you don't need them. Girl, my love is the very best treatment. We gotta come to some sort of agreement. Don't take away your love. Don't take away your love. Girl, what would I do? I'm so much for you. Girl, we gotta stay in touch. Don't take away your love. Don't take away your love. Girl, what would I do? I'm so much for you. Girl, we gotta stay in touch. I'm in love with you, baby, doing real fine. I'm your soldier, my baby.
Can't we carry on? See my favorite song, Burning Babylon. The one and them, who's gonna stop them? All of these problems, when you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, when you involve them. Alright, the one and them, if they serve and protect, you know you must care. Them never know how we got the first share. Look what they did to school fee and bus fare. Clean up the place, me say we don't want to dust here. Stop from pollute the atmosphere. The people them a quarrying and a cuss here. Systematically the system they don't just hear. There is no justice, they do what just hear. The one and them, who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, when you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, make sure you resolve them. When you involve, say that system you need to get rid of. I squeeze the people them tighter than a tweezer. It make enough get a youth want to leave ya. Right now them say them want to get a visa. We go try make life in the freezer. You know see them want to make life easier. Mama want food, Papa want food. Them on the system yeah, because them are deceiver. The one you know. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, when you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, when you involve them. Alright, so I go so yo, so that system ya it too corroding. Foreclosure in the people them housing. See them now the credit card them closing, and the account them frozen. Can't take that judgment under them nosing. Can't find money for food and clothing, and the whole of them come and composing. Too much immorality them exposing. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems, when you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them?
Well, I pray every day for the youth and the share. Yeah, they want to divide us. and them no want we rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them idle. Them no want we fi rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them idle. Them use them religion, focus division, political conflict cause segregation, divide and rule, no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, all the people are go strong. If they not organize, they know them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. When me say unity, strength, me tell the youth them say survival. My bond the ism and the schism and the tribal. And my bond the divisional, suicidal. Bond the oppressors, me say, and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. Constrain economical Tydal. Tell them so we no want no more reprisal. Else let's have a prison and no idol. One more loving on the region, so we get rid of the division. On the politics with the religion, when them know say that we not swear no legion. Working on just to achieve our goals, but I'm gonna sell my soul. Working on and taking fully control. Working on just to achieve our goals, but I'm gonna sell my soul. Working on, now watch the pagans, they made the roll. Get a youth a send. So we're working from nights after night, yeah. And we're working from fight after fight, yeah. And we take it from heights after heights. And life we promote which is right. Yo, again, me tell the youth them send the first no bother fight. Say stand up for them justice and them equal rights. And keep it real and polite. Plant the seed, protect the fruits till them right. We're working hard just to achieve our goal. Now I'm gonna sell my soul. Pagans and that on road. So we're working hard just to achieve our goals. But now I'm gonna sell my soul. We're working hard and taking full control. Working hard just to achieve our goals. But now I'm gonna sell my soul. Head I go roll. Well, bigger judgment. I'ma tell them this. What's this now? Missing nothing in life now come easy. So tell the wicked man say them better leave with. And when them see we tell them say them no need we. Because enough things them do what displease with. Some say them a weapon and them no stop from deceive with. Some are burning out the envy and the greedy. And them fight against the poor and the needy. Fight against the weedy. Some we're working hard just to achieve our goals. But now I'm gonna sell my soul. They can't get up the road.
Our Father, hey, thank you for every good thing that you've done for me. Oh, I pray every night to the King down on my knees. Oh, please guide and protect me while I'm in the street. Man of ease, even though I be your gonna be. Oh, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh, I see Jah glory in the morning. Give thanks for the life in me. I know He have my blessing and so much more for me. He's my everything. He's done so much for me. He's my everything. My everything is almighty. Oh, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh, Father, what it's I am looking down on your children, doing so much wrong, yet still you forgive them. But what if Jah was like me? Wrong, he will understand and find a way out to solve the problem. Give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should praise Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, respect to Jah. We all should love Jah. Hey, give thanks to Jah, believe in Jah, and put your trust in Jah. Hey, oh Father. Hey, thank you for every good thing that you've done for me. Oh, I pray every night to the kingdom. Na 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 na, boy, boy, boy. Na 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 na, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. What a policy, me turn on the TV. Yeah, the first thing is crime with me. What a controversy, catching a breed fever. And I will say that I'm a film, baby. What a piece of shame, the economy gone on the drain. Them say the poor one is to be blamed. What a piece of sign, the youths they must lose their mind. Police murder 7 time, but is there where I can find true love for life? Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life. So get to just live up and don't you give up. I know we can make it in life. Just be focused, don't be obnoxious. That's not the righteous road of life. Get to just live up and don't you give up. I know we can make it in life. Just be focused, don't be obnoxious. That's not the righteous word of life. But it's the place where I can find true love for life. Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there where I can find true love for life? Is there a place? Is there a time? I've been looking all of my life. I see my people fighting. My people do the right thing. The Almighty is watching, watching. Why you come it will be passing? See my people fighting. My people do the right thing. My jolly you with lightning, lightning. Why nowadays no coming to nothing? But is there where I can find true love for life? Is there time where I can find true love that is divine? Is there Jamaicans don't like all that's an informer. Big up to all the herbs, vegetables and food plants. Hands up to all the man we come from now make big guns. Play a haters, backstabbers, no space with them on ya. Can't take the same place, kill a friend them. So them a bad man, a fretry, you never see them. Buck them a road, a lick granny beat them. In a them zone, no one no like them. Gosh, who the boots them up, make them a move so rough. Me tell them put it on, me see I tell them take it up. Enough for them a little baby, them a move so evilous. Police come on, Coral Deans and all the wrong man get locked up. Lord, right and now well but loose again. When this a mad man, you get free up from jail again. Can't catch walk or them catch a shot then. An innocent blood, innocently run again. Lord, don't like all that's an informer. Big up to all the herbs, vegetables and food plants. Hands up to all the man we come from now make big guns. Play a haters, backstabbers, no space with them on ya. Want to Jamaicans don't like all that's an informer. Big up to all the herbs, vegetables and food plants. Hands up to all the man we come from now make big guns. Play cause no space with them on ya. Lord, me read the Psalms and get me chalice load. Me have to hold a mess before me touch it on the road. And in from out and we're ready for call the 5-0. Talk a whole bag of things and the truth them don't know. Oh, this year I'm serious and my friends look dangerous. I'm a man of God, so in God I trust. I bet you never know that about us. If you keep on trying to get me down, if you keep on
fire blaze, now I be a tragedy. Like children, Bobby wrong wanna destroy. I blaze the fire, them are ox. What's wrong with this boy? No think them safe because the beast of them employer. Them can't stop them joy. Ash, Bobby wrong lead the children astray. Another infant gets slain while the wicked run away. Them said them kill Sunday to Sunday. Them said the dead game is like a treat or a fun day. Bobby wrong slew all 1,000 a day. Them said the earth then slip populated. Most youths have it tried it one away. Too much hypocrisy and hatred. Wicked will be obliterated. Bobby wrong. Search up the youth's place. The dirty beast. Spit all in the youth's face. Them said them will squeeze out your moral light. Toothpaste and stash the cut in a grave barrel or suitcase. Them love seeing guns and the youth's ways. They don't want to see no food in the youth's plates. Bingy living upright and treading true straight. Babylon want kill them off and talk about them too great. Ash, Bobby wrong lead the children astray. Another infant gets slain while the wicked run away. Them said them kill Sunday to Sunday. Them said the dead game is like a treat or a fun day. Bobby wrong slew all 1,000 a day. Then talk about the earth, then slip populated. Most youth started treading one away. Too much hypocrisy and hatred. Wicked will be obliterated. The beast them seeking blood for their anniversary. They wanna destroy lava ground the like nursery. Many fall along the way because them full of cursory. Bingy defeat the adversary. Life need goodness and earth. There's no need for grudge and greed on it. Those things cause a lot of flesh to bleed on it. Burn Bobby wrong them too demonic. Them nyam all human flesh. Night and day them feed on it. Them lead the children astray. All the infant get slain while the wicked run away. Them said them kill Sunday to Sunday. Them said the dead game is like a treat or a fun day. Bobby wrong slew all 1,000 a day. Them said the earth then slip populated. Most youths have it tried it one away. Too much hypocrisy and hatred. Wicked will be obliterated. The wicked would love to see the live stream dry up. More drugs, guns and ammunition them go buy up. No flesh them capture and tie up. Roast, while and fry up. The wicked judgment multiply up. Kashaites them a try vandalize. I see it clear. Kushites them want scandalize. They should be doing good, them doing otherwise. Evil people don't love to see them one another rise. Bobby wrong lead them astray. Little babies get slain while the wicked run away. Them said them kill Sunday to Sunday. Them said the dead game is like a treat or a fun day. Bobby wrong slew all 1,000 a day. Then talk about the earth, then slip populated. Most youths have to trod it one away. Too much hypocrisy and hatred. Wicked will be obliterated. Babylon mess up the youth's place.